What's going on, Mullen fam? So apparently Lawrence Harge is walking away from Mullen Automotive Company now. I did also catch the interview between David Mishery and Financial Journey, and David Mishery seems to be pretty genuine, pretty positive about Mullen overall, and still saying that he's going to let the work speak for itself. I'm glad he finally came out of hiding, to possibly reassure shareholders. Based off what David Mishery said in the interview, it definitely seems now that Lawrence was the issue. He's the one that's been fumbling the agreement between himself and Mullen Automotive. And it seems that though, yes, Lawrence may be a great inventor. He has great technology that has been proven to work and is certified and all that good stuff, but he has been very unprofessional lately. He's been doing too much. He's been talking a lot, and he's been leading investors on, jumping the gun, and not handling business like business is supposed to be handled, especially with David Mishery saying that he keeps terminating, going from one lawyer to another upon these agreements being signed off, documents being signed and completed. And I see you guys' feedback. A lot of people think that Mullen Automotive will be better off without Lawrence Harge. I know, people say that now, but at first when all the potential deals and stuff like that was being pushed out with $10 billion possible in contracts, people were all for it because we know Mullen needed cash and still needs cash. But as far as David Mishery and the interview goes, he said he's going to continue focusing on the fundamentals for Mullen Automotive, start getting things delivered, working on delivering and not doing much talking. That's why he's been silent. But at the same time, the stock price is continuously getting pushed down over 15%. At that 50-cent level. David said he's going to focus on the fundamentals and not worry about the stock price. Let the stock price do its thing as he improves the company. But in my opinion, that sounds good and all. It might reassure some investors, but what about the investors that were in Mullen pre-split? What about the investors that could possibly be enduring two reverse splits? Yes, Mullen technically has until, I believe, September to meet compliance, but at the same time, look how much Mullen has dropped over this short amount of time. It's already at the 50-cent level after reverse stock split, and the market cap is about to be at 80 million. So that's the comment that I did not like, that he's going to let the stock price do his thing as he focuses on the fundamentals. The stock price has been doing its thing all right. It's been just getting pushed down constantly, 10% a day. And I think one of the main stressors, besides Mullen needing revenue and going into production and all of that good stuff, is the stock price. People say if you're long, you shouldn't have nothing to worry about. Just focus on Mullen long term. But how can you really say that if Mullen is struggling to meet compliance still after reverse split? There needs to be updates. Haven't heard anything of what's going on with Menzies. No update on the Mullen Go. No update on Share Intel. What's going on with the Share Intel? Like, did they find anything? No illegal activities? And I also get it that Mullen just may be solely focused on ramping for production. And we all know it's been said over and over that Mullen can move up really fast on a good positive news catalyst. But with that being said, take a look down below at the chart on the RSI. My previous chart video I talked about the RSI bouncing off that 2021 lower level of the oversold zones, and the green arrow points to it tracing back to the top of that trend line. And as you can tell by the way the price action has been correlating with the RSI retesting that trend line, it's been going drastically fast in a panic style. And like I told you guys before, there's always a drastic push down at those levels. Even looking back further on previous days of trading with the RSI hitting that 2021 level, there was a drastic drop before it got a pop from that 20 to 21 RSI level. You can't always predict or rely on the charts, especially with Muln Automotive stock. This one is heavily shorted and manipulated. But looking at the RSI, the way it's trading, it could get this 50-cent level and possibly bounce off of that level like it's been doing here in the past, especially with the MACD holding on to the green side and the TTM squeeze is curling up. And right now it's looking like the 50-cent level is like the last resort level for Muln to hold. It's broken all other key levels, continues to be making new 52-week lows. Maybe Muln gets a pop here soon around these levels. Not sure how it will hold up. If it will hold up depends on what the company is doing. If we can get positive updates coming in more often, etc., etc. Let me know what you guys think about the information covered. Hope y'all find this information valuable, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone.